Ano may bibigay ako sa iyo?
Ano yun?
Pang Mother's Day. Oh, catch!
Hair dryer?
Gusto mo yan, di ba?
Super.
Yan ang pang Mother's Day ko sa iyo.
Thank you.
Hello mga kayopi! Welcome back! We have here an hair dryer from Dream, the Hair Glory, the perfect gift for your wife or girlfriend. So, check this video! Maganda yung box niya. Premium quality. Saan box this? Iyan. So, meron siyang adapter. This one, nozzle. And yung main unit niya. Manual, you can use this without the nozzle like this. So usually ito yung ginagamit ng asawa ko para mas malakas. And if you want concentrated, you can use the nozzle. Ang galing, di ba? It's only a magnet. Yan. And you can rotate it. And yung last is ito, you need to buy it separately. This is an hair care essence, so it will give you more iron on your hair and a fresh look. So meron tong ginapalitan yan. Meron siya ditong essence where it can give you more iron plus some good smell. So, amoy flower siya or something like that. As you can see it here. Yan. Hair care with plants essence. And ito, one time yun lang bibilhin. This one, we usually take around a month to maamoy nyo naman pag wala na ang bango niya. So, my wife usually using like this is removing this nozzle. I don't know why. Sabi niya mas malakas. Ito kasi concentrated in one area. Gusto niya mas malakasan. And the good thing about this is usually in 2 minutes tapos ka na mag hair dryer. And meron to mga features na maganda na papakita ko sa inyo later. And even my daughter, a 7-year-old, can easily operate this without the risk of burning his hair or scalp. Pakita ko sa inyo.
I can easily blow dry my hair without burning it because of the 57 degrees.
But first, let's remove the plastic. So, yan. Ang ganda niya mga kayopi, di ba? So, let's plug this. So, nagamit natin namin itong mga kayopi. And the good thing about this is maiwasan mo yung mga burnt hair. So, nakita nyo dito, it's a brushless motor. So, wala yung parang intake here. Nasa ilalim siya. And wala siya masusunog na buhok or papasok na buhok. And another thing about that is may filter to. Yan o. So, yan. Re-remove mo lang. Magnet lang din yan mga kayopis. Ang ganda ng design niya And since nagamit na nga namin to, madali itong i-clean. So, you can use a brush or kahit yung kamay mo nga yun. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan o. So, you can easily clean it. So, ito yung mga dust na nasasak niya while you're blow drying your hair. Yan. So, hindi mo siya kailangan palitan. You just need to use your either brush, cloth, or hands to clean it up. Kung makita nyo kayopi, wala siyang makita design. Pero pag once I turn it on, yan. So, medyo tahimik siya compared sa others. And meron, ito yung favorite namin na settings. 57 degrees. Ang galing muna. 57 degrees. Meron din siyang hot. Meron siyang hot cold cycle. So yan mga kayopi. So 7 seconds hot, 5 seconds cold. Then meron din siyang cold. Yan. Usually we are using in the 57 degrees. Yan yung default na ginagamit namin. So malakas siya mga kayopi. So yung 57 degrees yung favorite or yung default setup namin dito is perfectly for your hair. Kumbaga constant na 57 degrees. So it will not burn your scalp or even burn your hair. So kaya ang daling gamitin. Yung anak ko, just turn it on. And alam niya, titingnan niya lang na nandito sa 57 degrees. Gagamitin niya na yan. So, ang lakas niya mga kayopi. So, pwede mo magamit na yan. So, maganda to mga kayopi. I will post in the description or comment below where you can buy this product. So, even me, I'm the fan of this. You know why? Because I'm also hair drying my kids or my daughter's hair. But especially yung bunso, minsan ako yung nag-hair dry na since he's already 5 years old. So, ginagamit na gamit ko to sa kanya. And ang bilis niya makapag-dry ng hair. Unlike before na yung mga old dryer namin, I think this is the only third time I bought an hair dryer. Yung last two nasira, nag-overheat, and you need to constantly press yung cold para hindi siya mag-overheat. And this time, napakadali. I'll just set it to 57 and use it. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig yung how ang ingay niya. And napaka-tahimik nito compared din sa others. I'm not saying that it's totally quiet. It's more tolerable compared to before. Yan. Or yung mga old hair dryer natin. And napakadaling gamitin, diba? And napakadaling mag-replace. So, yan. Meron din siya nababay na accessories where you can easily hang it using the magnet. So, you can also buy that separately. So, yun yung mga kayopi. Ano pa hinihintay yung mga kayopi? Sure ako magugustuhan to ng wife and daughter or girlfriend nyo. So, bilhin na. I'll post in the description where you can buy this product. Bye!